How to pin someone on Snapchat. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to pin someone on Snapchat. So now without further ado, let's get started. So here, first thing first, open the Snapchat app on your phone. And now here, once you're inside the app, you can just tap on the chat icon, which can be seen in the bottom left side of the screen. And now here, once you're inside the chat section, just scroll down and search for the chat or someone that you want to pin. And now here, once you have found that person, you can just long press on that particular person name. And once you do that, a pop-up menu will pop up. And now here in this section, what you can do is you can just tap on chat and notification section. And now here in this section, you can just tap on pin conversation. Now here, once you do that, that particular person will be pinned on Snapchat. And that's it. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.